guys? What's up, YouTube world? Whoever is watching. It's your boy Green Goblin _ Scat. Today, pretty much tonight, this evening, what I'm gonna do is, earlier I drove around and I did some stuff, and I was just driving around wasting gas and looking at the scenery and trying to take some pictures and stuff like that. But the time that I went out, traffic was just hectic. So I was like, no, I can't ever stop anywhere because people was like riding my ass to the point where if I pulled over, somebody would blow the horn, get agitated. I don't have time to be arguing with anybody today. Came back home, I just sitting in the car in the garage, and I'm just gonna sit here for another 20 minutes or so. No, another 15 minutes. And I'm gonna go hang out with the club. My chapter is Hampton Road Head Turners. So some of the guys, I'm gonna go hang out with them. We're gonna go to Buffalo Wild Wings, eat, chill. So stay tuned to the shenanigans that you're gonna encounter this evening. Well, pretty much only thing that's gonna be recorded is it's not gonna be a lot of car stuff. You're gonna see, how we act around amongst each other. While we're just hanging out, just normal guys, man, that just like to have fun. So I'll get some shots of our cars in the parking lot, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Hope you all enjoy this.
Are you married her? I was cold.
Use some chopstick, bro.
Hey, get your short ass.
Today was alright. It was an okay day. My day off was pretty cool. I was able to relax. So it didn't turn out like I wanted to. A few people backed out at the last minute coming out to eat with us. But the guys that you're seeing in Navy uniforms, they are in the military. They didn't drive their cars. They actually carpooled. A few of us got up and we went out to dinner. I mean, that's how it is sometimes. Sometimes it's 20-something people. Sometimes it's 7 people, But anyway, it was pretty cool. We were able to just laugh, joke around, have a good time, get dinner pretty much, and there's nothing wrong with that. Instead of going to Buffalo Wild Wings, we went to Park Lane Tavern. Really good food there. So that's pretty much it, man. It was a good day. I appreciate you all for watching. I hope you like this, and stay tuned for more later on. All right. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do. Be blessed. Have a good day.